here is the third lowest graded problem. So here we have the electric fields, okay, which are indicated over here. They have the magnitude. The electric field had this magnitude, 115 newtons divided by Coulomb. What we need to find is electric potential difference, and specifically, I think the magnitude. Yes, the magnitude in the electric potential between the points A and B. All right. So what equation we need to remember is the following: that to find delta V, we need to take a displacement, well, let's say in x direction, okay, and the electric field in x, in the same direction as displacement, and multiply them by each other with minus sign in front. If you are interested, actually, in not only the magnitude, but actually the sign of the delta V. Okay, if you're only interested, of course, in the magnitude, you can take absolute values over here. But the key here is this electric field. It is its x component. It's in the same direction as the displacement. So here displacement is in the x direction only. So the field, I cannot take the magnitude of the field. I have to just take the x component of the field. Very important here. Okay, so I need to compute the x component of the field. So first of all, the first question I always like to ask myself, if it is the x component will be positive or negative. So from this figure, right? So you can see that this is my electric field, okay, and tends, as far as the x direction is concerned, in this direction, so it will have a negative sign here, minus sign. Okay, then I take the magnitude and I need to multiply it by the angle. Which angle I need to multiply it by? So, well, this angle is given, and to compute, so this is my hypotenuse, this is my side, okay, and so what I need to compute here is multiply it here by the cosine of 50 degrees. Boom. So I multiplied, substituted, got the answer. Okay, so here you will have just a number. It is negative. So use this number and substitute into this equation. So this is what I've done over here. And then I just multiplied everything and I found the final result. Okay, 1061. So it is important here to remember that this is the x component, or it is the component of the field in the direction of the displacement. Important to remember.